Hi guys, so coming on to do Kerry's prompts. This is the last one of the year, December. Totally forgot about this, and so I thought I'd get it done. I'm going to use my big journal because it's near enough full now anyway. So I'm going to start 2 pages there. This month's journal prompt is, get my piece of paper. You can use black and white throughout, but the main colour will be silver or grey, the accent colour pink, the words from a book, the focal point will be a bird, and you must use paint, so I am using paint. And what I'm going to do first is, should put my apron on. I'm going to put this, this is a neutral grey. Yeah, let's get rid of this paint bit. Dave, do you want that? She collects them. Look, it looks like a spider. I don't want that. Right, I'm going to put a bit each and everywhere. Okay, could have done this on the jelly plate. Made some nice. I haven't got enough paint, have I? No. I only want a very, very light sort of, let's see how far we can go. Really got a lot of paint on that page, so I don't need too much build up, because I'm going to go over it with stencils anyway, that's why. Come on. Get some paint in them nooks and crannies there. Oh, I'm getting paint everywhere. There we go. Now wash my paintbrush. Right. Hey, a little bit of drying. Okay, well, I found one of the old calendar pages that I wanted to find, and this is a large robin, which is gorgeous. So I'll come back and I'll cut this out and we'll carry on with this. Okay guys, we are back. I think I'll take that camera down a bit. Now I've got this pink Parisian rose. I'm going to pour a little bit of that into there. I've got some stencils here. You know what? I like this stencil, so I'll probably use this one. Just picked out a few random things in the way, yeah. So if I do this, you'll be able to see it and I'll be able to get into it more. so I've cut my bird out. Now I've found this this napkin. Okay, I was gifted this, I don't know how long ago, years ago. So I'm thinking I may want to do this and then that. Got a big pair of scissors. So I'm going to cut this out here. Couldn't find anything that was pink or silver. I'm more of a traditionalist Christmas. I like traditional Christmas, red, green. I like purple as well at Christmas, purple and silver. But pink, I don't usually use a lot of pink when I'm crafting. Right, I can easily open this. Right, so you want to take off the backing sheet and use that for something else. Like wiping your hands after. You've got so much paint on you now, I'm going to have to do my nails again. Right, now I want to carefully cut around this, big scissors, to get that red bar off. Needs cutting down a bit more. Bottom, and I've got the scissors round the wrong way. And we just quickly snip that on. I'm thinking this over here somewhere, the robin on there, and this over here. I would say somewhere there, like that. And this Merry Christmas up here, but I want to put some words in there from a book as well. So that's what I'm thinking. So I have, let me move that a minute. I've got my big tub of glue here. I've had this, I bought this, this big jar here for 50p from a charity shop. It was empty and it was clean. And I've got some adhesive glue in there, I think from Poundland or something. It's quite watery. It's a children's glue, but if you do that, 3 parts of that to 5 parts of water, I think it is. Let me try and open this now. That's going to become a pain. Give me a second. But if you do that, you can use that for the decoupage glue. I've always done that and keep topping it up as well. Okay, I've opened my glue. Just gone round it with the heat gun. And that's what it looks like. See how it's not thick glue. It still smells fine. That's been in there. Well, I keep topping it up, as I said, but that's been in there for probably 2 years. But I do use it occasionally. It's not something I use all the time. So I'm going to need a paintbrush. So that'll be better to use. Right, we'll use that. And I'm going to put this down now. So just get it where you think it's going to go. At the start. And then just go over it lightly and not to tear it. I should have waited for the underneath to dry a bit first. Very, very carefully. Because you want this to have glue at the top and the bottom. them edges coming up. And it will soak that glue in anyway. Now, you don't want it to bubble up. You don't want to tear it. You do it as light as possible. If you think, just watch it for a minute. If you think it's bubbling too much, then push it down very gently with the paintbrush. I'm going to leave that open for a minute. I can actually use that glue on this as well, so I will do. So we'll get this bird on. Just tidy him up a bit. Up. I'll just go over it. I'm going to put that in there, like that. Let me tell you something. I've got some musical note strips here. They're not actually Christmas ones. They're, what is this? Bye Bye Blackbird. I've got some music strips. Make it a little bit more Christmassy. Where's that glue gone? Oh, I've lost it. There it is. Okay. Just glue them down. Okay, I'm back, guys. I've got some distressed oxide bondo and some ripe Pisidium. I can't even say that word. And some stamps. I like these grungy stamps. The stamps that I haven't used a lot. There's a few in here I could use, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of stamping on it. Not sure what this is. Let me get some black ink, or shall I do brown? I think I'll do brown because then it's not too intense. So I'm using Fine Clear Fallen Leaves. Just want a bit of that here and there. With some metallic markers, yeah, that'd be good. Right, where's my markers? In a second. A whole load of stuff. Where's my silver? There's my silver. I've got white. Got on it. And maybe a little bit of this bottom piece. And a few bits in there. Yeah, I like that as it is. I don't want to go too much over it. Maybe some dots here and there. It's a bit of a juicy pen. I want some snow over this tree. That's done now, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers for coming in and watching me, and I hope this has helped you or inspired you to make something similar. Have a go, just try. That's all you have to do, is just try, keep trying as you go along. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.